making marshmallow chocolate dipped marshmallow swirls. They're gonna be really cute. So for this recipe, you're gonna need 7 large marshmallows. Either a cup and a half a cup of dark chocolate or a cup. Well, I'm gonna start with the half cup. And then black and gold gel, and graham crackers for ears or little pretzels. Okay, so first heat your chocolate up. We're gonna put it in on the stove. And first, also creamer. So about a half a cup of creamer we'll start with, and add more to your thing if it's not the right consistency. So we're gonna put this in the pot, and we'll come back to you when it's in the pot. Okay, so say it's kind of watery, but it's a good consistency.
See how it stays on? There's still clumps in here. You don't want them.
Yeah, but there's marshmallows. Come back when we start dipping. Okay, so now we are going to start dipping. So I took all the marshmallows out of this. So now we're going to dip it in like this. I think a bob stick. Get it? Come here. Okay, just like that. Oh, that's perfect.
Do you want the bottom?
No.
Do you want the bottom?
No.
Squirrel's gonna have a white tail. Like one.
Okay, so then just keep dipping like that, and then you'll put them in the freezer, let them cool, so that they're nice and good. Okay, good. Bottom. Okay. You can also try to do the bottom. Just like what Chef Mom is doing. I think that's good. It's a big marshmallow.
I think that looks a little better.
Yeah, let me put it over here.
Why don't we redo this one? Oh,
Go ahead.
just turn it. If you turn it, I can just do that. That's so much nicer than having to lift it.
There you go. Is that better?
Perfect.
All right. So we'll be back when we're done dipping these. I put it in the wrong spot. We'll be back when we're done dipping all these. See you back here. I'm gonna go put these in the freezer. They look so pretty. Oh, and then we'll decorate them. We'll be back when they're decorated. So we're literally just right here. We're just waiting for the little pops to dry, and look! We see like a bunch of turkeys out in our yard. That is crazy. It's literally raining out there. They are getting drenched. They're like, I just want to get all those worms out here. I don't care. Lily, stop, please.
They hear me. They hear me, actually. That's
Crazy. You know it's almost. Oh man. You know it's almost November when you start seeing lots of turkeys in your yard. Okay, so we got these out and they're perfect. When you touch them, yes, they should be not totally solid, because I don't want them to be totally solid, because you don't want to bite into something crunchy when the marshmallow inside is not crunchy. So you're gonna see a spot here, and if you have something like this, this is where your tail is gonna go. Do not plan for that to be the front. Okay, I almost guarantee that's gonna be on every marshmallow. And when you're pulling them, pull up. Ooh, that one didn't get too much. Wow, look at that. Okay. All right, well, here's how we decorate. I will use this one for an example. Okay, so you're going to take, if you're reading off of my recipe while watching this, which is actually what I am doing, you are going to do this. So you're going to take, with black icing, you're going to make the eyes, the nose, the mouth, and the feet, and the outline for the tail. So we're going to do the eyes. will be coming up here. So they kind of turned out looking more like dogs. But they're really cute and I can't wait to test them out. So I'm gonna go bring them in and we're gonna test them out. Okay, we're gonna take a bite of these, right Lola? Let's try this. They are so good.
What's the gold for on the back?
It's tail.
Did you share how much you had on?
Is it okay if I eat the eyes?
Yeah. This is so good. Yum. Definitely try it on. And this is not going to be called the squirrel because it looks like a dog.